in their history. And 85% of them will never come back. Not because your work was bad. Not because they found someone better. Simply because you never followed up. That silence just cost you $200,000 in repeat business. Today I am going to show you how AI gets them all back. For free. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I am going to show you one tool that takes less than 10 minutes to set up and will bring customers back to your shop completely on autopilot. Forever. Let me show you exactly what is happening in your business right now without you even realizing it. A customer brings their car in. You fix it perfectly. They are happy. They pay and they leave. 3 months later, their oil light comes on. Do they search for your number? Or do they just Google the nearest mechanic and go with whoever shows up first? If you did not follow up, if you did not send them a reminder, if you did not stay in their mind, they are going somewhere else. And you will never know it happened. Multiply that by 300 customers a year and you start to see the real number. The $200,000 that is walking out of your shop every single year and going straight to your competition. Now here is the good news. This is the most fixable problem in any auto shop. And it costs almost nothing to fix. Here is tool number 1. It is called Podium and it is completely free to start. The moment a customer picks up their car, Podium automatically sends them a text message from your shop number. That text says something like, "Thanks for coming in today. We really appreciate your business. Would you mind leaving us a quick Google review?" One link. One tap. They are on your Google page in 10 seconds. But here is the part that makes this a money machine. 90 days later, when that same customer is due for their next oil change, Podium automatically sends them another text. Something like, "Hey, it has been about 3 months, your oil change is probably due, book now and get 10% off this week only." You set that message up once. It goes to every single customer automatically. Forever. If you have 500 customers in your history and just 20% respond to that message, that is 100 cars back in your shop. From one text you never had to write. That is not a good week. That is a completely transformed business. Now let me show you the second problem that is silently killing your shop. Go to Google right now. Search mechanic near me. Look at who shows up first. How many reviews do they have? Now think about your shop. How many do you have? I talk to mechanics every week who have been in business for 10 or 15 years and have fewer than 20 Google reviews. Not because customers were unhappy. Because nobody ever asked. And in 2026, when a person needs a mechanic, they look at Google reviews the way we used to look at a friend's recommendation. More reviews equals more trust. More trust equals more calls. There is a tool called Nice Job that completely solves this. After every completed repair, it automatically sends your customer a text asking for a review. Not a generic message. A personal one that feels like it came directly from you. Shops using Nice Job add between 15 and 25 new 5-star reviews every single month without asking a single customer manually. Think about that. After 6 months you have 150 reviews. After a year you have 300. Every competitor in your area is looking up at you wondering how you did it. And the answer is a 10-minute setup on a Saturday morning. The third tool is for booking. And this one is specifically for the mechanics who are tired of answering the phone while they are under a car. It is called ShopMonkey. And it gives your customers a direct link to book their own appointment online any time of day or night. They pick their service. They pick their time. They confirm their booking. You get a notification. Nobody had to pick up a phone. ShopMonkey also sends automatic appointment reminders to your customers the day before their visit. No more no-shows. No more gaps in your schedule because someone forgot. And here is the part most mechanics miss. ShopMonkey uses AI to analyze your most profitable jobs and your busiest time slots. So you can stop filling your schedule randomly and start filling it strategically. Higher value jobs. Fewer empty slots. More money per day without more hours. The fourth tool is the one that brings in brand new customers when things get slow. Meta AI advertising. And I want to show you exactly how auto shops use this. You create a simple ad targeting homeowners within 5 miles of your shop. The ad says something like, "First oil change at our shop is on us. Book this week and it is free." That one offer costs you about $20 in ad spend and the cost of an oil change. But it gets a new customer in your door. You do great work. Podium follows up automatically. They leave a review. Nice job captures it. They get a 90-day reminder text. They come back. And they come back after that. And after that. That one free oil change could generate $3,000 in lifetime revenue from a loyal customer who never goes anywhere else. Here is your weekend action plan. Today, sign up for the Podium free trial. Takes 10 minutes. Connect it to your shop number. Every car you complete from this point forward gets an automatic follow-up text. Tomorrow, sign up for Nice Job. Connect it to your Google business profile. Every completed job automatically generates a review request. Those 2 steps alone will transform your shop in 30 days. More reviews. More repeat customers. More money from people who already trust you. Drop a comment below and tell me something. How many Google reviews does your shop have right now? Drop the number. No judgment. I want to know where you are starting from because next week I am going to show you exactly what to do based on where you are right now. And if you know a mechanic or own an auto shop, share this video with them right now. This is the kind of information that can completely change how a shop operates starting this weekend. Next week I am covering electricians. How AI tools help electrical contractors get more leads, manage their crews and completely dominate their local market without spending a fortune on advertising. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Hit the bell. New video every single week. I am AI Unlocked and I will see you next week.